Geyserwise MWS Megawatt Saver. The Geyserwise MWS Megawatt Saver is specifically designed for photovoltaic water heating with an efficiency rate of 99%. When you purchase the Geyserwise kit, you will receive the Albro distribution board as well as the connecting cables from the distribution board to the Megawatt Saver. It also includes a surge protector and the DC circuit breaker. Also included are the connecting cables from your PV panels to the Megawatt Saver. Within the kit, you will receive a full instruction pamphlet which includes a QR code that will take you to the instruction manual. The kit also includes a thermostat, a Geyserwise MWS display, as well as the main component, the Geyserwise MWS. When installing the Megawatt Saver, it must be installed in a vertical position in an area with sufficient ventilation. The distribution board should be installed as close as possible to the Megawatt Saver. The distribution board should be fitted with the surge protector and DC circuit breaker. Please note that these are polarity sensitive. Positive and negative are clearly indicated on the circuit breaker as well as the surge protector. Using the cables provided, the bottom of the circuit breaker must be connected to the Megawatt Saver as far as your DC side is concerned. On the AC side, your isolator must be connected to the Megawatt Saver. L1, N1, ground, L2 and N2 are clearly marked. Located on the front of the Megawatt Saver, there is an image of the wiring diagram. Once the wiring from the PV panels has been done, please check the polarity. The reading on your multimeter should be positive. If a negative value is shown, the wiring has been done incorrectly. Once the polarity has been checked, switch on the DC circuit breaker. The MWS display will switch on, showing you the PV voltage. The display will also switch on. The display should be placed where it is most convenient for the user to check the temperatures and settings. The MWS will enter solar mode when switched on, with a green light indicating solar. A blue light indicates that there is power to the system. The system starts drawing power from the PV panels and will start to heat the water. This is indicated on the display with 3 red droplets and the spanner icon not flashing. Now you will be able to see that the DC is active. The power from the panels will be displayed, the voltage and the current will be shown. When the solar and power lights are on, the water will be heated. On the display, you will see the temperature. The spanner icon being solid indicates solar mode. The droplets indicate that the heating element is active. Once you have checked your DC that everything is fine, you can switch on the isolator switch for the AC side. If you want to switch to AC, you can press the AC boost button and the MWS will enter into AC boost mode. The MWS will display that AC mode is on, and the values on the DC side will now read 0. This is due to it not drawing current from the DC side. The AC and DC are completely separated from one another. On the display, the spanner will begin to flash, indicating that the system is in AC mode. The 3 droplets indicate that the system is now drawing power from the grid supply. To take the system out of AC mode, press the AC boost button. When the solar light is on and the spanner icon on the display is solid, the system is now drawing power from the PV panels. Once you have completed installation, install the covers to make it safe. You just need to close the distribution board and all is ready to go. All of these units are Wi-Fi compatible. You can scan the QR code on the display to download the app. Once you have installed the app, it is easy to connect provided that you have 2.4G. These units only operate on 2.4G. Press the yellow button for 3 to 5 seconds to connect the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi icon should start to flash. Your phone will be able to automatically detect the unit. Whilst the Wi-Fi icon is flashing, simply press the Add button on your phone. You must type your Wi-Fi password into the app, after which you must press the Next button. The app will then add the MWS unit. Once the unit is added, press Done. The app will now display the water temperature. As seen in the video, both the app and the display read 26 degrees. You can also set your DC temperature. You can also set different temperatures for different times of the day. The app will give you PV power and voltage and indicate if the power is being drawn from solar. If you would like to use AC boost, simply use the AC boost button on the app. As you can see, the spanner starts flashing on the display as AC boost mode is now active. The app also displays a graph of your actual PV input as well as your AC input and your temperature. At the moment, no graphs are available as the unit has just been powered up.